Some mornings, you don't need a reason to go, you just need the right boat. This is the Scout 425 LXF. Scout builds in South Carolina, on the water, for the water. Every hull here is carbon epoxy construction, built for days that start before the marina wakes up and doesn't quit when the wind picks up. Power to spare. Twin, triple, even quad outboards, depending on how you want to run. Plenty of muscle to get out ahead of the afternoon weather. You're past the inlet and into open water before most people finish their coffee. Swim platform drops. You're in the water in under a minute. No ladder, no tender, no fuss. Step off and you're in. Hydraulic and quiet. Ready before you are. Rocket launchers rigged and ready before you clear the marker. Cooler drawer built into the leaning post. Cold drinks always at hand. Bait station stocked, tackle within reach. Run to the sandbar, drop anchor, spend the afternoon in the shallows. Heated helm seats mean the ride home after sunset still feels good. Below, there's a forward cabin and an enclosed head, a place to rinse off before dinner. But that's not really the point. The point is, the wind at the inlet, sun on your shoulders, the crew still talking about the one that got away. This isn't a boat you look at on a Saturday. It's a boat you live on by 8 in the morning. For full specifications and availability on the Scout 425 LXF, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.